We're back in Woodstock. We haven't made it back home yet. This is Cliff's idea. And we're going to follow through with it. We're going to check out... What is it we're checking out?
Well, another abandoned building. We've stopped here once before. I don't remember exactly what it is.
All right, we'll take a look at it. I think it was some sort of... Was it OPP facility? Or?
Maybe a post office or something? Or
No, I don't think it was post office. We'll take a look. All right, let's take a look. It looks like they're going to tear it down eventually. And it is boarded up, so getting in is going to be somewhat impossible if you don't have the right equipment. Did you want to go around this way?
yeah.
Probably be a lot easier. I don't know what they're going to do here, but it looks like they are going to tear it down. No, I'm good. How about you? You sure? Yeah. Yeah, they've done a good job tearing down this, doing the tear down of this place. It's possible it might have been a post office. You hear that? Now, we could go in there. Looks like it's going to fly off at some point. I don't know. I think we've pretty well concluded this. What do you think?
So,
yeah, there's not much else here. So, and
I don't know, police station maybe.
And is it really worth risking going in here? Like, realistically, this would be the easiest way to get in.
And it doesn't look so easy, to be honest. Who knows what's on that other side of that?
That's just it. We don't even know if what the inside is like. Plus, we're not wearing the best kinds of shoes. So, I think we should cut this short. Yeah, I've wanted to explore this, but it doesn't look that exciting to check out. So this was, again, Cliff's idea to stop by. So
Well, you wanted to stop here.
I know, but today it was your idea. Yeah. Yeah, I think overall this is kind of it so far. Yeah, and I believe that's it. What do you think, Cliff? All right, you heard the man. He said it. That's it. So we're gonna walk back to the car. We're gonna head home, unless there's another abandoned spot in Woodstock that we can find. I'm trying to remember what this property was. So again, that I don't know. But right now we're just walking back to the car. So this has just been a very short side trip thing. Anyways. See you at the next one.